small startup. We're in the business of developing and manufacturing a single-use pump specifically for coloring in plastics using liquids. And the single-use pump is also usable in other industries such as biomedical and medical. But for right now, our focus is to make it work for the plastic industry.
I would like to explain what we manufacture in this company here. What we have here is a single-use pump used for coloring plastics at the nozzle of the machine. What you see here is a SolidCAM machine parts here. These parts were designed in SolidWorks and we machined it using the SolidCAM software. Let me show you what it is. The pump, what I showed you earlier, is being put into this and it drives to suck any of the colorant. For example, to open, we open it up here, the door opens up, the pump is here. We load the pump in. All these parts, what you see, are completely machined in SolidCAM. Now, when we hit a button, it is going to run and the liquid, whatever is there, these are kept at a reverse height so it can suck and deliver this to the throat of the machine. So what you see here is an injection molding machine. We produce these parts right from this machine. We have the mold loaded onto the bed right there. The material is injected through here, and you can see those parts right there. This is basically the coloring equipment. With our pump, it takes the source material right from here and pumps it right into the nozzle tip so you can change colors on the fly.
The equipment that we have that we use for our prototyping and pre-production, we have a total of 4 Arberg injection molding machines. We have 1 vertical injection molding machine, hot stamp machine, several sonic welding machines because we are assembling our product using sonic welding. Our product consists of plastic and aluminum pieces, and we have decided to CNC the aluminum pieces, and we have purchased 2 medium-sized CNC mills to do that. And we also have a Prototrack CNC for the Bridgeport and a manual Bridgeport, a nice hard-inch lathe, and a couple surface grinders. I have had 3 other companies. First companies, we had virtual. It was a total disaster. Then we tried CAM, another company. It was pretty good, but it was hard to find an experienced operator. My last company, we had CAM, and we had a couple very experienced guys operating that. But this company, we don't have tool and die makers. I have 1 engineer, his name is Venu, and I decided to make him a tool and die maker by using the best software I could find. And we felt that SolidCAM gave us a much better chance of accomplishing the ability to do our prototyping and tooling with an inexperienced operator. And so far it's proven to be true. Venu took a few weeks to learn it. He's well versed in SolidWorks, so doing SolidCAM was very easy transition for him. And I am absolutely amazed as to what we can machine here, considering the lack of experience. The iMachining is actually a fantastic addition to the SolidCAM. We don't use it much here because Venu is still learning the SolidCAM, but we have demonstrated it, we've used it, and I'm looking forward to using the iMachining for future projects. The support's fantastic. Anytime we've had a question, they're more than generous in responding back to us. They helped us with some programming. We've had some issues come up because we didn't design the part right, and we had too tight of a radius for the cutter we're using. So simple things, but the support team at SolidCAM, excellent. We had experience with my previous 3 companies that I had owned. Each company had a different software package based on the talent or the experience of the operator I had hired. And each different software, you get different opinions from the employee. This time around, I decided I was not going to let an employee tell me what software we're going to have. I was going to buy the best software with the least amount of learning curve. And that's where SolidCAM won, hands down, because all the other softwares are much more complicated to program. This is very easy. I think I even can do it, and I'm terrible at programming.